Hi guys, welcome back and welcome. If I tell you how many times I have to do an intro. Hi guys, my name is Ache and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through my day, the life of a boring girl living a boring life in a boring Accra. So if that's the kind of thing you like seeing, join me. Let me show you what I do today. Got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go. What's the passcode to the suitcase? Oh right, I'll send it to you. Thank you. So won't you say my name, if you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but wait, take a picture. Out in the rim, my luna. Put down forehead, they say I'm selfish. Out in the rim once more. Wash out my way, my feelings dirty. I'm just craving for somebody's babe, oh no. I can't get that love for myself. Say everybody's fine, but they can't be, even if they wanted to do, even if they try as they envy you. But you belong to someone and I'm singing. I'm just craving for somebody's babe, oh no, no. I can't get that love for myself. Ole, ole. All my tears gon' stay out, but don't forget. Yeah, ole, ole. Now pressure me, now pressure now. If not your babe, I want to. Ole, ole. Now all my tears gon' stay out. You got the right impression, maybe I'm impressed. Oh, the feeling shook you one day, so forget. Oh, you got a man and I can remember. Before the camera catch me for forget. Got to better for play. Something like go sweet in my birthday. If later you call me, or no later than 6:30. My girl won't like this, yeah. Make group chat, they talking my gist. Come try this, so less romantic. But deep down, we should not be doing this. Can't talk party, oh. I know you, they feel like Ronaldinho. Say you want to mission impossible. I hope you know. Nobody has to know. Put down forehead, my lover. Job melodies want for me now. Put down for bed, I love. Job melodies want for me now. Put down forehead, my lover. Job melodies want for me now. Oh, 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 oh. Melodies gone for me, ja. Put down forehead, my lover. Ja, melodies want for me now. Put down for bed, I love her. Ja, melodies want for me now. Put down forehead, my lover. As you can see, I'm walking. Cause Charlie, Sika ni ho, any Sika. So I'm walking to the junction. I will go and pick a church from the junction and take it to Medina. Cause why not?
And if a boy feel my joy, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my doors. No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go on, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as
I wanted something like yellow. You see, like the closest is this one, right? Please, have you received it? Can you wait for your receipt?
This one I bet.
One shawarma is 60 cedis, you know? Ladies and gentlemen, why? Why? It's 175 cedis pound. Hey, madam, stand out here. So I'm in my ride home now. I've had a long day. I'll see you guys now. So guys, I am back home and it's been such a long day. If you can hear music, it's coming from my headphones, so you can see how loud it is. Anyway, so I'm back home and this is everything I bought. I'm going to show you guys what I bought. So I'm trying to arrange some gifts for the love of my life. And so I'm going to show you what is going to go inside the gift box that I have. And then I'll show you all the clothes that I bought and everything, and yeah.
Ride the whip, I know you die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. The gallon, ride the whip, I know you. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Roll like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look at the straight, you are not my mate. If you become a son, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want turn up. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depending. The girl, ride the whip, I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be?
Thank you so much for coming with me today to show you like the mundane things that I do in a day in my life. If you watched the video to the end, thank you. Even if you watched halfway, I'm saying thank you, even though you probably didn't watch to the point where I'm saying thank you. I think this is going to be the end of my video. I've had a very long day and I'm so freaking tired. I eat my shawarma, I shower when I'm done, then I just sleep because I have to go to work tomorrow. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in another video. Bye.